Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: your birth date and, if possible, the exact birth time and birthplace. This matters for rising signs. Once done, open Google and type a focused query like Zodiac sign born 14 March 1990 or Sun sign calculator. Make sure to use full date words, not just numbers. This helps Google return astrology tools rather than unrelated pages. Click a calculator or a reputable astrology site in results. You'll move quickly to now refine the output by choosing a calculator that explicitly lists sun, moon, and rising positions because the sun sign is the central result. Once you enter your data, check the time zone and daylight savings fields. Incorrect settings shift signs, so correct them. Compare at least 2 reputable sources. If both list the same sun sign, you have confirmation. If they differ, double-check time and place entries, then run searches again. This ensures accuracy before finalizing the result. Finish by saving or screenshotting the verified sun sign and any additional chart details you need. If results conflict between tools, re-enter your birth date, time, and birthplace carefully and try another calculator. Small typos commonly cause mismatches. If uncertainty persists, consult your birth certificate for an exact time or look up historical time zone data for the birthplace. This resolves daylight savings anomalies. Finally, when everything lines up, you'll have a reliable zodiac sign and can explore interpretations or deeper charts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.